I have a degree in psychology, and I was looking at the sort of pathways and options to advance my career. And a rehab consultant definitely felt like my cup of tea. Working with clients to return to work, help them achieve their goals, definitely has grown my passion to help people. I've been with rehab management for about 5 months now, so still fairly wet behind the ears, but I'm enjoying it. Fairly steep learning curve at the start, but being surrounded by a great team and support from management has really helped a lot. Well, as an RN grad, there's constant communication trickling down from the top. You see a face to a name for all the big players in the company. There's always emails, phone calls, Teams meetings. Everyone feels kept in the loop. There's a lot of things provided weekly, monthly, catch-ups, even training, refreshers, a lot of things like that that have been quite necessary and useful. There are several opportunities for career development with rehab management. I've come on board as a rehab consultant, and I'm currently an associate level with my registration with ACEWORK. I know after a number of years, 3 years, I'll become a fully fledged member. There are also opportunities for financial gains with bonuses and having conversations about pay rises, which are pretty cool. Obviously you have to work for that, so it's good that you can get rewarded for your hard work, and there's a lot of recognition involved as well. Look, I'm stoked to be on board with rehab management. If I was to give some advice to anyone else looking to sort of gain a position like what I have, rehab management definitely has a reputation that precedes itself. There's a lot of sort of rehab consultant jobs on the labour market for various companies, but rehab management definitely have a standout sort of company, and numerous awards, and like we were saying before, a lot of perks and bonuses and learning structure in place for learning. Really do feel supported. And just rehab management is a great place to work. They look after their staff. We all enjoy coming to work, and we're all good friends as well.